Hello world, welcome to Java training. In my previous video, I have already told you that all the attributes of a class that you conceptualize are converted as a fields in Java. Fields are nothing but the variable that are defined at class level. And all the activities of the class that you conceptualize are mentioned as methods in Java. So this is the base of converting your theory into the programming logic. Now let me take an example that we are already taking in our previous lectures. I am taking the example of dog class. Using this particular concept, I will create the Java class. So let me open Eclipse. This is the package oops concept. Let me create one new class inside this and I'll name it as dog class. So this is the dog class that is created. Now what are the activities and attributes here? So attributes are breed, color, legs, and activities are detect, bomb, bark, and run. So let's convert the attributes first. So first attribute was breed. So I'll write down as string breed. String is a data type. For data types, I'll have a separate lecture where I will explain the data types in detail. So breed will hold the string value here. So that's why I have prefixed with string. Next attribute is color. I'll write down another field as color. Third attribute is legs. So static attribute. So for all static attributes and activities, you have to prefix the keyword static. Static legs is of integer type. So I'll write down as int legs. So for all static attributes and activities, you have to prefix with static keyword. For non-static attributes and activity, you do not have to prefix any specific keyword. This is non-static field. This is also non-static field, and this is static field. Now next is activities. So what all activities this dog class have? Detect, bomb, bark, and run. And all of these will be represented as method. So first one is detect bomb. So I'll write down as public void detect bomb. So this public is known as access specifier. This void is the return type of the method. So for the return type and access specifier data types, I'll have a separate class. So this is the first activity. Next activity is bark, which is a static activity, right? For all static activity, I will prefix the word static and then public void bark. And these static and public, the order of these words are interchangeable. So if I'll write down public first and then static, it will be same. So I'll write down as public static void bark so that the code looks clean. Next activity is run. It's also a static activity, so I will prefix the word static. So this one is non-static method. This one is static method, and the last one is also static method. So this is how we convert the attributes and activities as fields and methods in Java. So these are attributes and these are activities.